What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the no GPS signal or GPS signals lost issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try updating the phone's software. So to do this, open settings. Now tap on about phone and then tap on software version. Now after updating the software from here, your GPS signals issue will be fixed. But after updating the phone's software, if you're still facing the issue, then open settings, tap on this phone about phone option again, and then scroll down and this time tap on factory reset. Now tap on erase all data to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default. And after resetting your phone back to factory default, everything from your phone will be deleted, including photos, videos, apps, accounts, contacts. Everything from your phone will be deleted. So after resetting the phone, the GPS signals issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the no GPS signals or signals lost issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.